They told me that corner to corner is something I have to learn how to do, and it's incredible, and it works so fast. And I was always so scared of it until I tried it. And this is the result. This amazing scarf, corner to corner, in rectangle, not a square, is the product, the first product that I've made with this technique. It's amazing. In this video, we are going to go all the way from the beginning to the end and see how it evolves. So hi, welcome or welcome back to my channel. My name is Sandra and I am the crochet designer behind Sandra Stitches, and you're here for some crochet goodness. So let's get started with the video and see how all this develops. Just take a look at this beauty. So here we are, so pretty, and works up so fast. It's amazing. I just started corner to corner. I just learned it and I'm kind of obsessed with it, really. Now, I have these two colors. Don't know if you can see on the camera exactly. It's kind of a mustard and a very light blue. It's 100% acrylic. My Chinese yarn that I always work with doesn't say anything. It's all in Chinese. There is no, I try to translate it. There is no real information here. It just says to use a 4.5 millimeter hook. I'm using a 5mm hook. It's a weight 4 yarn. It's acrylic. It says 100% acrylic, but you know, it has the feeling. It's not the same feeling like when you have, you know, those cheap acrylic yarns or plain acrylic yarns. It's very soft and very nice, and it usually has a kind of feeling like even a little bit of cotton, but it's not cotton. It's very nice yarn. The problem with it is that the vendor that I found this and bought for 3 years is gone. I don't know, shut down the store or whatever. It doesn't exist anymore. There's only about 2 or 3 colors left. I think it's just closing, and I cannot find this yarn anywhere. It was a really good price, and it's very, very nice yarn. And I like the colors. It didn't have so many colors, but I like the colors that it had. Now back to our scarf. So this is where I'm at now. I'm thinking if I should do, here I have how many? Like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 rows. 9 rows of the light blue. Should I do the same amount of rows, like blocks, or should I do some kind of random stripes? Because I don't know. And I was thinking maybe even trying to add the 2 colors in the same row. I'm not sure how you do it because, you know, this is my second thing in corner to corner because when I learned, I made a pillow cover just with scrap red yarn that I had. Just nothing, just the rectangle, and that's it. So this is the first time that I'm trying to design something with corner to corner. I just love it, love it, love it, love it. So what do you think? Should I do smaller stripes and maybe I will try to blend the 2 colors in the same row and see what happens. That can be really interesting. like maybe how many I have? I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. I have 7 steps. So I can do like 1, 2, 3. I will have 8, so I can do 4 and 4. Yeah, like 4 and 4. Let's see how it comes. Let's see if I can do it. Let's pause for a minute this video because I want to tell you about the V-Stitch Club. The V-Stitch Club is our crochet membership that you can join anytime. It's open for everybody. It's $5 a month. You get 2 exclusive patterns each month. You get 1 workbook. This is very unique. You don't see it anywhere else. There are no other crochet memberships that give you these workbooks. These workbooks are a special edition that you can work each month on self-growth through your crochet. So I combine all kind of aspects of our lives that we struggle with and we have questions about, or maybe we want to look at them and give you some crochet related techniques that you can use on your life things and improve them. Very unique. People love these workbooks and they are all included in the $5 membership. So you get the 2 patterns, 1 workbook each month, and then once a quarter you get a pre-recorded workshop, kind of skill building in your crochet journey. Will you join us? The link for all the information is in the description box below. So the V-Stitch Club is waiting for you. Okay, this is how it looks. I just put a little bit of light blue here and I continue with the mustard. Now, I'm not so familiar with color changing in corner to corner because, as I said, this is my second project. So, and also this is a scarf and I will have to do something with these ends. So the back part of the scarf does not look, you know, like the back part. Looks neat and okay, but I love it. So what I'll do now, I will change to light blue and I will do here a few 2 half rows of mustard, 2 half rows of 2 half rows of light blue here as well to complement it. And yeah, I think it's going to be really interesting. I'm done with the scarf. It came out amazing. It's short. It's not very long because I just, you know, it's my first attempt and I just wanted to get a hold of it and see how I feel about this technique and what do I think about what I can do with it. But I am obsessed, really. It's so much fun. And look, I just tried to put some colors together. I know there are amazing graphs out there with multiple colors and everything going on. And I will for sure start trying some. I have some idea about a new project that I want to do using the corner to corner technique. I have to weave in my ends and it's going to be done. And I think it's going to be great for my husband because it's a short scarf and he doesn't like to have all these very, very bulky things on his neck. I'm not so sure about the colors. I don't know if he will like the colors. If not, maybe it will go to my daughter's boyfriend. I'll ask him if he wants this, because these are not my colors, obviously, even though I love this combination, but it's not the colors that I would necessarily wear. So, in conclusion, for my first time working the corner to corner technique, I think it's amazing. I don't know why I have never tried it before. I have to say that I tried, I think about a year ago. I watched some tutorials, I watched some videos, and I tried, and I didn't get it. So I just left it. And then I went back this week, and I found Helen's mini course on corner to corner. Helen is my dear friend from Sunflower Cottage Crochet. I did not know that she had a mini course. I knew that she liked and she had patterns, corner to corner patterns, but I never knew she had a course, a mini course, a video mini course. So I somehow found it and I watched it and it clicked, right? You know, everything was very clear. I started working it and that's it. I know. Now I have to, of course, improve my techniques and do a lot of colors changing and, you know, graphs and all kind of things. But the basic techniques, I know. I know also, I have another friend, Agat, from, I think her business is called Made by Gotti, something like that. And she has different stitches for corner to corner. Like this is the basic double crochet stitch, but I know that she uses like half double crochets and V-stitches, and she has all kind of unique patterns. Excuse me, with different stitches for corner to corner. So yeah, it's something that if you're interested, I should encourage you to go and explore. Anyway, this brings us to the end of this video. I will weave in all my ends and yeah, I think it's really, really nice. And I loved working it. So peaceful, so calming. You don't have to look at your, graph all the time because it was just two colors, right? But also, I think it has a uniqueness because you get the result very, very fast. So you don't have to wait a long, long time until you see the scarf or the blankets. I can understand why many people use this technique to make blankets. You can make a blanket in a day, really, if you choose very chunky yarn and work, regular corner to corner, even with the graph, even with the different colors, it goes very fast. So the gratification and the feeling of, fulfillment and feeling of, I did something and here it is, you get it from the corner to corner technique. So I love it. This is the end of our video for this time. I hope you enjoyed it. If you did, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel because I am bringing every Monday a new video, and I want you to be part of our community here. Please leave a comment. Tell me if you ever did anything with corner to corner, if you like it, if you don't, and if you have any suggestions of kind of videos that you want me to make. So until next time, bye.